In this video, I'll give you 5 business ideas that everyone must go into one of these. This is for people that are thinking of going into entrepreneurship. If you want to become an entrepreneur, which I believe you must, because if you are really passionate about what creating impact in your society, in your community, in your nation, right, in the world, you must become an entrepreneur. Because entrepreneurship is not only about what profit. When you hear the word entrepreneurship, it's not about what profit, but what it's always about what challenges, always about what solving problems, always about what creating impact, always about what building wealth. That's what we refer to as what entrepreneurship. So you must become an entrepreneur, or if you are already in business, right, but it might be you fall in the wrong path, you are not in these 5 businesses that I'm going to name now. It's like you are struggling, so you need this video. Watch this video till the end, right? Number 1 business that you should consider going into is rental systems. They will never fail, and these are money tree businesses. You plant a money tree, you are going to harvest till the rest of your life. Those are the businesses that you are looking for. Look for businesses that you create. After creating those businesses, you are going to reap the benefit of those businesses till the rest of your life. For instance, real estate, right? When we talk of real estate, it's not like building a house to sleep. Most people, this one is more especially for young people. If you are just coming up, entering into the realm of what trying to build wealth, you should not focus on what building a house to sleep or building even house to rent. But this one is more especially for the African context, the Sierra Leone to be specific, right? Don't build a house to rent. It's a big financial error. Right, instead focus on what building guest house, building hotels. You know, these are the rental systems that you should build. They generate what cash flow. You receive money every blessed week, every day, every hour, every time money is coming, right? Those are the systems. Buy land and then lease it to someone to use that land whilst the person is paying you. So that land also is what generating, or storage facilities. You can go into all those stuff. Number 2 businesses that you should consider going into, you should consider what the internet. The internet has made more billionaires in the past 5 years compared to the previous 5 decades combined. So this will tell you the power behind what the internet, right? So you need to leverage the internet to make your way out. So this is the business that you need to consider, right? For instance, making what computer software, creating websites. You build a website. So that's the power of what internet. So if you want to plant a money tree, become wealthy, make sure that you go into what internet, right? The 3rd business that you should consider is content systems. You write a book and you are going to earn from that book till the rest of your life. You spend a lot of time, invested a lot of time, money, energy writing that book. But after writing that book, you are going to earn from that book. You only receive profit. You eat from it, you know, or you create a blog, or you create a Facebook page, TikTok. You know, these platforms are there for us. You create content every day. Become a content creator. That's the business that you should consider, right? You can make a lot of money and then make impact, be the person that you want to be in the society. The 4th one is distribution systems. Then the 5th one is human resource systems. It is very difficult to manage people, but if you are able to build a system that will help companies manage their resources, you are going to make a lot of money. 5 business ideas that you should consider. Number 1, rental systems. Number 2, computer systems. Number 3 is content system. Number 4 is distribution systems. Number 5 is human resource management, human resource systems. If you are passionate about entrepreneurship, getting business ideas, consider subscribing on this channel. Share this video so that other people will benefit from it as well. See you in the next one.